So we have this GRE question here. A certain probability experiment has three possible outcomes. The outcomes are mutually exclusive and have probabilities p over 2, and p over 4 respectively. What is the value of p? Alright, what you should note here is this part here, mutually exclusive. What are mutually exclusive events? Events are mutually exclusive if they cannot occur simultaneously. Take for example, if you toss a coin, okay, you can either have a head or a tail. You cannot have a tail and a head at the same time. Similarly, if you throw a die, a six-sided die, I'm talking about a fair die, of course, not a biased one. You can only have one number at a time. For example, you can only have one at a time. You cannot have one and let's say three at the same time. So these are mutually exclusive events. So the probabilities of having, for example here, a tail or a head. So the probability of having a tail, a head, for example, is 1 over 2, because 1 is a probable outcome and there are only two possible outcomes. And then the probability of having a tail is also half. One thing you should note about this is that when we sum this, we should have 1. Similarly, for tossing a die, for example, a six-sided die, the probability of having a 1 is 1 over 6. The probability of having a 2 is 1 over 6. Probability of having a 3 is 1 over 6. The probability of having a 4 is 1 over 6. Probability of having a 5 is 1 over 6. And the probability of having a 6 is also 1 over 6. And all of these should be equal to 1. So, coming to our problem, we are told that these three events are mutually exclusive and they have probabilities p over 2, and p over 4. Therefore, since the events are mutually exclusive, we should have that p plus p over 2 plus p over 4 should be equal to 1. So we need to solve for p. Let me rewrite it this way. I'll write p over 4 times p. It doesn't change anything. And here I'll write 2 times p over 4. Again, it doesn't change anything. Plus p over 4 is equal to 1. So we'll have here 4p plus 2p plus p. That gives us 7p. And all of that over 4 is equal to 1. We multiply both sides by 4. We should have 7p over 4 times 4 is equal to 1 times 4. And so we'll have 7p is equal to 4. When we divide both sides by 7, the 7 will cancel 7 here, and we are left with, so this will imply that p will be equal to 4 over 7. And so the correct answer is D.